Welcome back. It's Chris with Wildflower Landscape Services out here on a property in Brighton, Colorado. Phase 2. Phase 1 was just a fireplace. Phase 2 was this paver patio, fencing, a natural retaining wall out of boulders, and a seat wall to match with the fireplace. We went with a same size paver, two different colors, a random pattern. This had quite a bit of slope here, so we dug it out. They wanted more of a natural look. Put in some boulders, put in some shredded mulch, some perennials, flowers on top, set of natural stairs. More perennials and mulch. All this is irrigated with drip irrigation. We put a polymeric sand in the gaps of the pavers, and again we got the same stone that was applied on the fireplace and made a seating wall barrier here. This is phase 2 of the project. There will be 3 or 4 more phases throughout the season and next year. This is a pretty big acreage property. We're going to put some grass, irrigation, rocks, trees and shrubs back in that area. In this area we are going to do an outdoor kitchen and a pergola, and then some work out front on the other side of that fence there. Just wanted to share this custom landscape install with you. Hope you enjoy the videos. Stay tuned for more with Wildflower Landscape.